Hi guys, it's me again, Robert Red, and I'm going to get into part 2 of our emulators tutorial. So I'm going to briefly remind you what an emulator is. Basically, emulator, it is a software that emulates the console, whether it be NES, Super NES, Sega Genesis, N64, stuff like that. So I'm going to go on the web and kind of show you some cool emulators. So I am on my iMac, which is, I'm running 10.6, but this really doesn't matter for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to pull up my Safari browser, just depending on what operating system you run, whether it be Windows, whether it be Windows 7, Windows 8, Vista, whatever you're running, you can open up your browser, whether it's Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, whatever, and we can just do some Google search for emulators. So let's just type in emulators. Since I'm on Safari on a Mac, I'm just going to type in that. Now, emulators are available for phones as well, but we're going to focus really more on computers. That way we can deal with recording. So I'm going to go down and let's look at the ones for PC. And as you can see, there's a lot of different links and stuff we can go to. I'm going to focus on coolrom.com because I think they're probably the best site to get emulators. So you'll come and scroll over on emulators. And it's going to take a second to load. And it has a list of the different consoles that you can pick from. There's arcade, Atari, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, just a lot of different ones. The one specifically for Mac. So let's pick Nintendo NES. Now there are a few here. The one I think that is most popular is Nestopia. As you can see, there are a few different options. You click on it, Nestopia. And the Nestopia one is specifically for Nintendo. And it looks like it's going to take a second for it to download. Oh, or actually load the page. Sorry, I have to correct me there. Now, I believe Nestopia is available for Mac and PC, but I want to load the page to verify that. And a lot of these emulators that I'm showing you, they actually have their own site that you can directly download it from. So, but CoolROM just seems to have it all on all in one place. So we'll come down to the download now. And you do that, and then it says download your file or save to Dropbox if you have a Dropbox. So I do download your file. And it's going to take a second. And it's a zip file. I'm double clicking it. And it gives me an exe file. So that tells me it looks like Nestopia is only available for Windows. So, sorry guys, if you have the Mac, you can't use Nestopia on a Mac. But I just wanted to kind of show you that as part 2 of the emulators. I'm going to continue and show you some more emulators in the following upcoming parts. Probably the next one I'll do is SNES. So I want to thank you guys for joining me, and stay tuned for more tutorials from my channel.